What's up guys? I wanted to do a quick review of this turntable. Let's check it out. We're gonna start off with an unboxing real quick. Open it up. Comes with a USB power cable. And then of course, we have the device right here. So here is the actual turntable. It's not huge, but it is a nice white, as you can see on the top. There's 3 buttons on it. The rotation, so left, right, spin, ASAP pieces. So you take this piece off, it's in a little adhesive, and then you have to carefully line it up. Let's see how close I can get today. But overall, I think that's a good job. Now I have a nice reflective skin on the top. So let's go ahead and plug it up and see how it works. So I plugged it in. Let's hit these buttons to see what they do. So the R and L determines the rotation that you're gonna put. The SR stands for the spin speed. And the ASA, I'm not really sure what it's for. You can use a little USB to plug it in to give it power. And then once you do that, you just push the button. So you could just plug in the USB to give it power. Once you have that in, you just press the rotation and it'll start to rotate. So you can see it's rotating this way. I'm gonna hit RL. It's gonna rotate the other way. Also, if you if I hit spin speed, it is gonna change the speed of the spin. So as I put this on here, you can see it spinning. I hit the rotation, the spin speed. Now it's spinning slower, faster, and that's the fastest speed that it'll spin. So we're being powered. If you look on the back, there's also opening, so you can put AAA batteries inside. So say you want to be like a photographer like I am, I can take this off site, put the ring and stuff on it, close it up, turn it on, and get the shots that I'm looking for. I do notice that there's a little jittery with it, so this is a very, not the highest quality, but it does get the job done. And with the battery on it, it barely turns, but it is getting the job done. And this battery weighs a heck of a lot. So this turntable is definitely used for smaller items. Something heavy, this is about 5 to maybe 6 pounds. Something like this you're not gonna wanna put on here, but something small, I have a little line laser that I use a lot. Putting that on there spins with no problems. If you're looking for a turntable and you're an off-site photographer that needs to turn a couple of light items like jewelry or little rings, or if you just have some products that you like to show in the display, this little turntable is definitely something that you can use. Again, you can plug it into power or use some AAA batteries to power it when you're off on location.